Oh, what's good, everybody? So you see the box. I actually won on sneakers, and I wasn't expecting to win on sneakers. I actually got these the same day that my Yeezy Pods came in, and I was actually filming some videos with my mom on the Yeezy Pods when I told her to enter the sneakers. And honestly, I forgot about it because I didn't think I was gonna win. And usually my mom, bro, I don't know what it is with my mom's account, but my mom be hidden on sneakers, bro. If I could just swap whatever algorithm on her phone to mine, I'll do it. But I actually won on my phone. And so here we are, 2-day shipping. So these right here are going to be the Kobe. Whoa, hey, now this is crazy. This is the first time off rip that it's a different box, because I was expecting the black box because I actually brought my original Mambacita, so I have the, I guess you can say the 1.0s in here, just so we can have a little bit of comparison, because not a lot of people were feeling these, and look, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys right now. I don't like them either, and it's a handful of reasons, and I'll discuss that later in the video. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.